I should stay safe out here. Wear my high... Oh, what?
I don't know, this looks like a target to me.
It does look like a target. You should be careful out there.
I'm gonna wear this on my back, like this.
It is, like, yeah, you just aim for right here. Perfect.
Are you not wearing yours?
I'm gonna hike next to you guys. What's that moose doing in between those two hunters? I'm setting off for an overnight. Gonna be climbing to the top of Mont de Morios. It's wild camping. There's nothing up there. It's outside of the national park. And so I can just find a place I like and post up and hopefully have a good night out there. I'm dressed all bundled up. It's been super cold. The temperature has been plummeting over the last few days. And there's actually supposed to be maybe even snow in the forecast. Not sure what to expect, but the fall colors are right going off. And this is really the first bit of adventure I've been able to get out and do here in the Charlevoix region. And so I'm definitely looking forward to getting up to the summit, posting up at the top and seeing what we can see. And yeah, it should be a good adventure. That's why I gotta stay close to the people with the high visibility vests. I'm guessing it's this way. I think I'm an expert by now. Hopefully. Which way should I go? It's too hard, it's too hard. It's too hard. It's too hard. It's like this. All right, let's go.
Hey, we'll meet you on the other side of the top, buddy.
Yeah, it's probably too difficult for you guys.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So there's just the tiniest bit of snow that started to come down. Little ice crystals flaking down. And I'm starting to have this traumatic flashback to about a year ago, almost exactly this time, when I was in Sweden and we decided let's go camp on top of Åreskuten, one of the big mountains there, and just got hammered with a unexpected blizzard. And it was one of the worst nights of camping / survival that I've ever had. Hopefully it doesn't line up to be another one of those type of evenings. Hopefully it's more like, oh, this is pleasant and beautiful. Not like I'm wandering through a blizzard because my tent blew down and don't know if I'm gonna survive the night type of thing. I think it's gonna be better. So there's a big cloud moving in and coming our way. I am very hopeful that it is just a passing cell, but I'm definitely concerned that we might be getting an early snowstorm here in Charlevoix. We'll see. It is pretty though right now.
I was considering leaving my waterproofs in the car because I was like, this is the best weather window we have.
You brought them though, right?
I think so.
Okay, I hope so.
Nah, I brought them. I'm joking.
This is probably where people camp, except it's really windy here. It'd be a very pretty place to camp, but a very exposed and not fun place to camp. It's a really spectacular viewpoint from here though. Made it to the top of Mont de Morios, and there's actually like 3 peaks up here, so currently scouting, looking for the best spot. There's a lot of wind up here, it's super cold, and definitely looking for a place with wind protection and also some water sources. So there, I did see that there is actually a good water source just over the way here, but it's still really exposed, so looking for something that'll work for the night, because there's definitely like storm cells all around and it looks like snow and everything. So I want to be in a spot that's well protected for the night so I can actually enjoy myself. But on the bright side, the sun is shining and it is gorgeous out here. Just really cold. I'm gonna start setting up my tent. We have 1 minute of sun. So if it's really windy like this, and I'm by myself setting up my tent, I think it's really important to set up your tent poles first before you get everything laid out. Otherwise you're probably more likely to lose rain flies and bits and pieces of your tent. Yeah, it's certainly a lot warmer in here than out there. Just layering up. Well, you guys, it's been a bit of an adventure today. As you can tell, it's snowing pretty heavily. Did not see this coming. But yeah, we're at the mountaintop. It's beautiful. Had a really amazing sunset actually. The snow just kept coming in and out, passing through, and going out, and just the lighting was crazy beautiful. We just made dinner, and the snow just really started coming down. So I think I might have to close up shop here pretty soon and tuck in for the night, even though it's like 6:30. I guess fall is setting in here in Canada. Cheers, guys. It's been fun.